Hello children. Today I came here with a new lesson. Interesting topic to you all. So all you are enjoying and here one more entertaining lesson to you all here. What is that, do you know? Yes, all of you know this word. What is this? Can you read what is the title of the what is the name of the lesson? The chameleon becomes wise. What is this? The chameleon becomes wise. What is this, a chameleon? Have you seen anywhere? Yes, this is chameleon. Have you seen this? It changes its colors. You know this? Yes, looking like a lizard. Chameleon is looking like a lizard. But this is a different, a type of lizard it is also, but different one. Okay, ma? Chameleon means a kind of lizard. Chameleon means a kind of lizard, a kind of lizard that can change colors, So that is the speciality of chameleon. So it can change its colors. So you know, yes, now see this one. This chameleon becomes wise. So chameleons are not wise means yes, of course they are wise. But here when danger, if we get, danger happens or before that, how we should think, we should analyze. Okay, ma? So here generally you believe everyone. Yes, if anyone hi, if they say and really they are talking to you means you feel they are very close friend. That means can we believe anyone blindly? No, we cannot believe. So what is this? Why can't we believe? If we believe, what kind of problems may happen, that we can see in this lesson. The chameleon becomes wise. The chameleon becomes wise. So all of you know wise means yes, very knowledgeable and a good thinking. Okay, so now how it became wise we can see. Have you ever seen a chameleon? Yes, now you have seen the picture also. It is a type of lizard which can change its colors. Chameleons have unique eyes which can move separately from each other and achieve visual field of 180 degrees. So complete, more than half, it can see very easily. It can change its colors and 180 degrees. Total surround our head means that is 360 degrees, right ma? So, but can we see 180 degrees can we see means we can't move our eyes like that. So, only we have this direction and somewhat like this. The eyes like this only we can move. But this chameleon can move the eyes completely up to like this and up to like this. So, total half. So, that kind of great eyes it has, and this way chameleon can watch in two different directions at the same time. See that? Either we can see like this or else both eyes like this, both eyes like this we can see. But here this side and this side can we see? No. But the chameleons can see this side and this side completely it can change. So in the different directions it can watch. So and detect objects on the opposite sides. At the same time, whatever the objects on the opposite side can find it easily. Here is a story of chameleon that made friendship with a crocodile. Have you seen crocodile? Yes, this is also looking like chameleon, but chameleon is small one, thick, thin and long, but crocodile is big one. Crocodile is big one, right? So both became friends. What happened to them when they become friends? Let's see in the lesson. Understood, Nana? Chameleon, crocodile, both became friends. But chameleon has unique qualities, right? It can turns up the eyes different directions and 180 degrees it can see, right? Now see this. Once upon a time, a crocodile and a chameleon were great friends. A crocodile and a chameleon were great friends. Who are great friends here, Nana? Crocodile and chameleon. And the crocodile was fond of sunbathing. Sunbathing, you know, in the sun, do the bath. So sunbathing. So this crocodile was, that's not sunbathing, Nana, that is sunbathing. Sunbathing. So the crocodile is very much interested in sunbathing. Sunbathing. What is crocodile interested? Yes, sunbathing. So who wanted to sunbathing? Crocodile. Very good. Whenever he came out of the water, the chameleon would come out of the bush and climb a tree nearby. Yes, both are very good friends. Na? So that's whenever this crocodile came out of the water, then this chameleon also comes out from its bush and reaches it on the tree and it talks with the crocodile. Soon they would be chatting merrily and sending peals of laughter soaring through the air as though they had not a care in the world. So they are not care in the world, right? Anyone care about crocodiles and chameleon, especially chameleon? Crocodiles, of course, they are somewhat dangerous. That's why we are worried about that. But chameleon, do anyone think about it? No. But if you see in our garden, oh, like that, we feel fear of it, right? But is it doing any harm to us? No. Never at all. Right, ma? Even first of all, it runs away. In the garden, while you're in the playground or garden, if you see any chameleon, if you shot means immediately it runs away, right? So this chameleon, no one care about them in the world, but they would chatting merrily. Chatting merrily. What is the meaning of merrily, Nana? Merrily means happily. They would chatting merrily means happily, very happily. They were chatting with each other. What is that? What was the chatting? Sending peals of laughter. Peals of laughter. Peals of laughter means long sound of laugh. Peals of laughter means, see Nana? P-E-A-L-S. Peals of laughter. Peals of laughter means a long sound of laugh. A long sound of laugh. So both of them laughing very loudly, merrily they were laughing and soaring through the air. So flying through the air. So their sounds in the air it makes and getting much sound. So as though they had not care in the world. The crocodile and the chameleon seemed to be very good friends. How they become at last? They become very good friends. One day, as they were about to go their separate ways. So, both of them came and they discussed, they shared and they laughed loudly. So, at that time, while they were going away, dispersing, Mr. Crocodile invited Chameleon to dinner. Yes, up to that, this Mr. Crocodile is coming out. And this chameleon also came out from the bush, but near to the crocodile, can it sit? No. On the tree, near to that, but on the tree, this chameleon sits. But now here, crocodile invited this chameleon for dinner, chameleon to dinner. So come to my house at the bottom of the lake, he said. Who said, come to my house at the bottom of the lake? Yes, crocodile said. To whom crocodile invited? Chameleon. What the crocodile invited? Come to my house at the bottom of the lake. Yes, the members of my family would love to meet you and have you over for dinner. Jump right into the lake when you see me. Rise to surface and I'll make you to my home. So, don't worry about it. My family, they wanted to see you. So, that's why they would love to meet you and have you over dinner. So, you can have a dinner with us. So, then you can come. So, just right, jump up, just right into the lake. When you see meat, rise to the surface. So, when I come here, yes, jump into this. And you can sit on me and in the surface of the water, I'll take you to my house. So that crocodile said. So crocodile offered to whom? Chameleon. What the crocodile asked? Yes, come to my house, come to my home for dinner. Who are there? His family, crocodile's family, right? on the appointed day. So yes, this chameleon also accepted to come. Then on the appointed day means when they plan to go. So the chameleon went to the shore of the lake carrying a stick. So on the appointed day, same, the chameleon came to the river shore. So to get into the water and on the surface follow the crocodile, that's why it came. But with a stick. What the chameleon brought? Stick. So why? While the chameleon waited, the crocodile gathered his wife and children together in their living room at the bottom of the lake and told them, so while here chameleon is ready to come, but it brought a stick. What's going on? We don't know. But the crocodile and his wife and children, all of them gathered in the living room at the bottom of the lake. And chameleon said, get ready, all of you. That's it. What is that? Rejoice. Chameleon, whom I have befriend, is coming to see us. He will be our special treat. Special treat means they are not giving special treat to him. He will be the special treat. That means they plan to eat this chameleon. So see how dangerous they are. This crocodile said, yes, all of you here, rejoice, enjoy. Chameleon, that is whom I have befriended all these days, I made my friend, is coming to our house. So when it comes, immediately we can eat. So that is a treat today. So I cannot tell you what a delicacy he will make. So I can't tell you what a delicacy. Delicacy means a dish which is good of taste. Delicacy, D-E-L-I-C-A-C-Y. Delicacy, so that is means a dish good to taste. A dish good to taste. Very tasty dish at all. So today we are going to eat that. So chameleon's meat is so tasty. Chameleon's meat, that means chameleon's flesh is so tasty. Who said this one? Crocodile. But the crocodile is doing friendship with chameleon. That's why he invited to the house. But now what happened? Yes, my friend is coming. All of you get ready. Today is our treat. So we can eat chameleon, that the crocodile said. So he said, smacking his jaws and rolling his eyes. Smacking means punishing. Smacking means punishing. Smacking, we can take it punishing. So here giving punishing, that is a punch. Yes, now I am going to eat. With that, and rolling his eyes. So total directions. Yes, today we are going to eat. It said, the crocodile went out to meet his friend, splashing in the river with his jaws wide open. Yes, splashing the water in the water, even we are swimming or else animals are moving, the water sound we get it, that we call it splashing. Splashing. So the crocodile went out to meet his friend. Who is his friend? Chameleon, splashing in the river with his jaws wide open. Jaws, mouth wide open. How it is coming, see that. And to test the crocodile, chameleons threw the stick into the water. So to test the crocodile, really it is expecting it, really it is feeling that I am his friend, or else any other plan is there. This chameleon wanted to check it. So that's why chameleon threw the stick into the water. So stick also almost like a chameleon. So looking like that, I mean it floats and looking like very thin only. So that's why the crocodile lurched forward and with a blood-chilling crunch, he closed his enormous jaws over the stick. See that? The chameleon felt to check it. It wanted to test the crocodile. Really expecting me or planning to kill me. That's why simply threw the stick. But crocodile thought the stick is nothing but chameleon. That's why the crocodile lurched forward. Lurched forward means stagger, move very quickly. So lurched means Lurched. Lurched means uncontrollable movement or stagger. Stagger or move uncontrollably, very fast. So moved and with a blood of chilling crunch, he closed his enormous jaws. Enormous means very big jaws. Enormous ma ENORMOUS. Enormous means very big. Very big. So wide open jaws, the crocodile came na. When it came, when the crocodile saw this stick like chameleon, immediately it caught it very fast and closed the big wide open jaws, because again it should not be escape na, that's why closed it. But by closing it, what happened? Yes, the stick stuck into the jaws of crocodile. What happened? Trembling in terror, the chameleon's heart thumping furiously, he fled and scrambled up the closest tree. So, trembling means fear, shivering with fear. Because in the stick place, suppose the chameleon means definitely the crocodile eats. But with the wise thinking, this chameleon saved itself, na? That's why trembling, 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 trembling in terror. Trembling means shivering with fear. Shivering with fear. So with that terror, tension, with fear, shivered, the chameleon's heart thumping furiously. Thumping means very extremely furious, very angry. So thumping means THUMPING. Thumping means extremely means high range. So in that way it was furious. Furiously means very angrily, getting too much of angry on, yes, crocodile. Who got this much of angry? Chameleon. Why? Crocodile invited chameleon to dinner but planned to eat chameleon, right? That's why first it got too much of angry and fear. He fled and scrambled up the closest tree. So scrambled means quick, moved very quickly. Scrambled SCRAMBLED. Scrambled means moved quickly. So moved quickly. Whenever this chameleon observed this crocodile planned to kill the chameleon, then immediately rushed to the nearby tree. Okay, so and thank goodness, I didn't jump in to meet the crocodile as he had instructed me. Otherwise, I would have ended up at the bottom of his stomach. Right now? So, according to the instructions of crocodile, if this chameleon jumped into the water, what happens? Definitely that would be in the stomach of crocodile. So, thank goodness, I thought very wisely that this crocodile felt. And so it was that the chameleon became wise. So, like this, the chameleon became very wise. Like this, the chameleon became very wise. And he thinks long and hard before putting a foot forward and takes on the local color wherever he happens to be. So he thinks long and hard before putting a foot forward. So then from that onwards, thinking number of times before thinking, before doing any kind of work, before approaching any kind of work in the local color, original color, whatever he happens to be. Anything may happen, that nature color should happen. Like that it started to change the colors. Okay children, understood this lesson? Hello children, have you read the lesson? The chameleon becomes wise. Read it? Enjoyed that one? Very good children. Now, today we can do the question answers from that lesson. First we have comprehension part, that is time to answer. What can we answer? Answer the following questions. So, questions they have given, we should write the answers for them. Okay ma? So, what is the first question? See, what was the crocodile fond of doing? What was the crocodile fond of doing? Yes, what it was fond? Yes, it was very much fond of doing sunbathing, right? So, write the question first. All of you open the notes, Nana. Write all question answers and grammar part in the notes. Okay, ma'am? So, see the first question. First question, what do we have? What was the crocodile fond of doing? What was the crocodile fond of doing? What? Write the answer. The crocodile was fond of sunbathing. Okay children. The crocodile was fond of sunbathing. Okay ma? And see, what was the crocodile fond of doing? Crocodile was fond of sunbathing. Okay Nana? Next one. See the second question. What would the chameleon do when the crocodile came out of the water? What would the chameleon do when the crocodile came out of the water? So when the crocodile came out of the water, what this chameleon was doing? Yes, would chat with the crocodile merrily, right? Yes, read the question. Second question. What would the chameleon do? The chameleon spelling Nana, CHAMELEON. What would the chameleon do when the crocodile came out of the water? What it was doing? Write the answer. The chameleon would chat with crocodile. Crocodile spelling you know Nana? CROCODILE. Crocodile. Merrily. Merrily means very happily. Na? Merrily means very happy. So the chameleon would chat with crocodile merrily. So chameleon do when the crocodile came out of the water. This chameleon would chat with crocodile merrily. So that it was doing. Okay ma? And see the third question, what do we have? What was the crocodile planning to do? Yes, crocodile planned something. What is that? Yes, to kill the chameleon. Right ma? So write the third question. What was the crocodile? What was the crocodile planning to do? What was the crocodile planning to do? Yes, what it planned? Write the answer. The crocodile was planning. The crocodile was planning. Planning spelling nana PLANNING. Planning to kill the chameleon. To kill the chameleon. CHAMELEON. Was planning to kill the chameleon. Okay, children. Have you written? So, what was the crocodile planning to do? The crocodile was planning to kill the chameleon. Okay, ma. So, write these answers and remaining two I'll tell. Yes, see the fourth question, children. You have written 3, na? Now, fourth question. What did the chameleon throw into the water? Yes, what did it throw? Through the stick, right? Write the question. What did, fourth one, Nana? What did the chameleon throw? What did the chameleon throw into the water? Into water. What did the chameleon throw into the water? Answer, ma. The chameleon threw a stick. THREW. Threw a stick into the water. Into the water. The chameleon threw a stick into the water. What did it throw? A stick. Right, ma? See the next question. Do you think the chameleon had a narrow escape? Isn't it? Yes, it escaped. A very narrow escape. So, then write it. Do you think the chameleon had a narrow escape? The chameleon had a narrow escape. Yes, isn't it? 100% it's true. Then answer, yes, the chameleon had a narrow escape. Had a narrow escape. So, do you think the chameleon had a narrow escape? Yes, the chameleon had a narrow escape. Okay, ma'am. So, these are the answers we have, question answers from this lesson. We can do the next topic. See, children. So, the next one we have here, fill in the blanks from the clue kit. So, in the time to answer only, one is answer the following questions we have completed. Now, fill in the blanks from the clue kit now. So, what do we have the clue kit here? Say this here. Wise, living room, Mr. Crocodile, sunbathing, crocodile and chameleon. Crocodile and chameleon. So, these are the 5 words they have given to fill in these 5 blanks. Wherever the suitable, We should find it. You know, these are very easy. Already you read the lesson, na? You can tell me answers very easy. See now, first one. Dash and Dash were great friends. Who were great friends in this lesson? Yes, very good. Crocodile and chameleon. Where do we have? Here. So, right here, first one. Crocodile. 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 And chameleon. 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 Who are great friends here? Crocodile and chameleon were great friends. See the second one, Anna? The crocodile was fond of. The crocodile was fond of what? It was interested to do? Yes, sunbathing. Sunbathing. So the crocodile was fond of sunbathing. Crocodile was fond of sunbathing. Okay, ma. Sunbathing. Very good. Now see the next one. B-A-T-H, Nana. This is B-A-T-H-I-N. Sunbathing. Next one. Dash invited chameleon to dinner. Dash invited chameleon to dinner. Who invited chameleon to dinner? Very good. Crocodile. Mr. Crocodile. This one. Very good. So answer here. Write down Mr. Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Mr. Crocodile invited chameleon to dinner. Okay, next one. The crocodile gathered his wife and children in there. The crocodile gathered his wife and children in there. Where? Where were they gathered? Yes, in the living room. In the living room. So then answer living room. The crocodile gathered his wife and children in their living room. Okay, Nana? And see the next one. Finally, the chameleon became. What happened to chameleon? It became wise. It became wise. So finally, the chameleon became wise. Okay, children. Understood? So these are the answers. Write in your book and learn this.